Hello and welcome back to the AutoCAD course. In today's lesson, we'll be going over through the moving section. We will try and move some, as you can see, shapes right here on the screen. So without further ado, let's get started on it. So as I always say, try to practice alongside with me without saying that anymore. Let's get started. So moving is pretty simple. All you have to do is, for example, choose the shapes that you would like to move. For example, I would like to move the square. I would choose the square. I would go for move. I'll type move here, and then I'll specify the base point that I want to move in, meaning the point that I would like to start moving in. So I would be able to choose one of those corners. For example, let us choose this corner, and from this corner we are going to be able to move. So for example, I would like to move 100, and I would specify the degree here, for example 0, and it will stay on the same horizontal line. Let's try doing that again. So first of all, what do you have to do? Yep, you have to select the element you would like to move. So I would select a square. I'll click the move button, and I would select a corner that I would like to move. So I would select this corner here, and based on this base point, I'll be able to move my square whenever I want. I'll choose the distance, 150. I'll choose the degree as well. So 220, it will be here. So I'll go for 90 degrees. It'll go right here, up here, as you can see. Remember, scrolling will zoom in and zoom out. So yeah, that was it for today's lesson about moving. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.